Ever found yourself staring at a payment terminal, realizing your Monzo PIN has vanished from memory? Today, we're going to show you how to instantly retrieve your forgotten Monzo PIN directly through the app, saving you time and hassle. First, open your Monzo app and log in using your usual authentication method. Once logged in, navigate to the card section of your app, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Within the card section, you'll see several options. Look for and tap on PIN and card security. Here, you will find the option to view PIN. Tap on this. For security purposes, Monzo will ask you to Reauthenticate. This could be your fingerprint, Face ID, or your app passcode. And just like that, your Monzo PIN will be displayed on the screen for a short period. Make a mental note of it, or better yet, store it somewhere secure yet accessible. With your PIN securely retrieved, you can now confidently use your Monzo card for all your transactions, ensuring uninterrupted access to your funds. No more lengthy phone calls or frustrating branch visits. It's that simple, secure, and instant. Thanks for watching.